Hi, I'm Steven, co-founder and CIO at Quantumize, and you're watching a Quantumize Market Update. I'm here with Pete, a research analyst here at Quantumize, and we want to talk to you today about apparel discount retail stocks. Specifically, we want to talk about three stocks: Kohl's, TJ Maxx, and Ross Stores. All three are top buys in our U.S. large cap models and our U.S. consumer discretionary models, and they've been some of our high conviction ideas for the month. We have published 3 quant shots for TJ, Kohl's, and Ross Stores, talking about why we think these are high conviction buy ideas that you should consider. Earlier in the month, we recommended a put right in TJ Maxx, and earlier this week, we suggested investors consider a bull put spread in Kohl's, taking advantage of the rich implied volatility levels. Peter, why don't you go ahead and tell our viewers what you think about TJ, Kohl's, and Ross Stores?
Sure, thanks Steven. We here at Quantumize think that the recent pullback in retail stocks presents some attractive buying opportunities for discount apparel retail stocks. In looking at TJX, the stock has fallen in every trading session since November 9th, losing 17.58% of its value to trade at $45.88 a share. Earlier this week, when TJX reported financials, their comparable sales growth stood out, reporting comparable same-store sales growth of 7%, while consensus estimates called for just half that. Looking at Kohl's, their stock has fallen 20.2% since November 9th to trade at $65.12 a share. In their earnings earlier this week, Kohl's reported financials that beat in terms of revenue, EPS, and comparable same-store sales growth. Kohl's is also trading at a relatively attractive forward multiple of 13.11 times forward earnings. Ross Stores, meanwhile, has fallen 21% since November 8th and is currently trading at $80.83 a share. After reporting 3Q financials earlier this week, Ross Stores saw a 9.4% intraday drop, driven by disappointing earnings forecasts. Historically, Ross's management has had a tendency to report guidance on the conservative side, so this sell-off may be unwarranted.
Thanks, Pete. As we highlighted this morning, retail stocks since the beginning of the fourth quarter have dropped nearly 12.5%, underperforming the S&P 500 by nearly 3.5%. It's probably an interesting buying opportunity, especially given the fact that market forecasts are for a pretty strong holiday shopping season. In summary, we think TJ Maxx, Kohl's, and Ross Stores are high conviction consumer ideas you should consider going into year end. Don't forget to check out Quantumize.com for your full market update on stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptos, and to find out what trades our AI quant models like today.